Lady. If this is your first time here, my name is April, and today I want to talk to you about patterns, specifically patterns that you use frequently. Now, when I buy a pattern, I like to use every size that's in it to get the most out of my pattern. And one way that I do that is by tracing the pattern rather than cutting it, and tracing every size that they have so that I can get the most out of it. And I wanted to show you one pattern that I use very frequently. It's this McCall's pattern for a baby bunting. I actually bought it brand new in 1999. Here's what it looks like. It's a footed zip-up sleeper with a hood. And I made the hood a little bit adjustable with these cam locks on it. But you might be asking, what would you trace it onto? And you can trace it onto any number of things. I've tried using tissue paper. I have used sheets from the thrift store, wash them up, and use them to trace your patterns onto. You can spray them with starch and make them really nice and stiff so you can pin them to the fabric. But my favorite thing to use is freezer paper. And you can see here that I have several sizes of this same pattern that have been traced onto freezer paper. The reason that I like freezer paper is that it can be ironed onto the fabric and you don't need to use pins. You just iron it on and cut it out. So let me show you how it works. Another thing that I do when I store my patterns is fold them all up into size groupings, and then I put them with the original pattern into a gallon-size Ziploc bag. And then once it's in the bag, I like to put the pattern with the picture on it on the side without the decal on it, so that you can see what it is. And then I fold it over and I put it in a box. I have this one here. I got it at IKEA and I just labeled the front. This side is children's wear and this side is babies. And then I just put it right in there so that all of my patterns are in one spot. I hope you give it a try. Happy sewing!